Is it's helping your business, your website, have more prominence in an organic search. So search engine optimization is where we, as marketing people, you as people who are owners of your business website, can take your website and increase that visibility by having more search engines come in and talk to your website. More search engines saying, ooh, I'm replenishing information, I'm sharing more information. Let me go back out to the World Wide Web and increase that ranking. So we kind of just talked about this here, why to use social media. Social media being that platform to be able to share information. The big four that we're talking about right now, again, are LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Those are your kind of your big four right now. All of those are represented by these little icons here, and many more. And what those do is they enable you to go out and post little nuggets of information. And we'll talk a little bit more about how much information you post on all those different kinds of platforms, little nuggets to bigger nuggets. And what that does is it pushes it all out to the web. People can then view that information and they talk about it. For example, this morning, I went out to our company's page, Ignite It Group, and I said I was looking forward to coming and giving a social media presentation at Reynold Jones Insurance. And so I put into my post Reynold Jones Insurance Facebook page. So now all of my readers are seeing Reynolds information as well. So what you're doing is you're taking information that you have and you're pushing it out there for more people to see. What this does, what's the benefit of doing that? Well, number one, you have a much bigger voice. When you're talking to just a couple people, that's great. But to be able to take that information and share it with a much broader number of people is even better, especially when it's free, right? So that's my little $ number 2. It's a cost benefit. It's one of the few marketing tools that we have that really is a very affordable option for you. And number 3, it kind of puts you in a more popular position because more people will know about you. More people are able to talk about you. You know, I saw Reynolds Insurance the other day. Where did I see that? Oh, yeah, I was reading through my Facebook and I was looking at something that somebody had posted. Reynold Jones Insurance. I wonder what they do. Let me go check. So how do we fit social media into a business platform? Okay, I'm using Reynold here as an example. I hope you don't mind. It's okay, so we did a couple things with Reynold because he said, you know, I really want to have more visibility, I want to have more exposure, I want to raise my search engine optimization rankings. So what did we do? Okay, first thing that we did is we said, let's get you out there on a couple different social media platforms. And that's what these are. LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and pretty soon there's going to be another one out there, YouTube. Okay? This is Reynolds' signature block right here. So anytime he sends an email to somebody, he's got these little links here, and somebody can click on one of those and go directly to his Facebook information, his Twitter information, his LinkedIn information. So how many of you have emails that you send? Do you send emails all the time? Yep. Wouldn't it be great if you could encourage people when you send that email to see what other kinds of interesting things you do? How many times do you talk to somebody and they say, well, thanks for telling me about A. I didn't know you did B. Have you ever had that happen? Yeah. In this case, it might be, well, thanks for the information about life insurance. I didn't know you did property insurance at all. Okay? That's where something like this can come into play. The other thing we did is if you look over here, on this side, this is actually from Reynolds' website. And for those of you who have the websites, this is an interesting thing that you can do. This is Reynolds' Twitter account, and above that is his Facebook account. This is a live feed that is on Reynolds' website. So anytime Reynold puts something out there on Twitter or on Facebook, it's going to give an instant bit of information to his website.